Okay, so I have re-rounded my big transformer. It used to have these quite thick cables wrapped around it, so I could get a lot of current out of it. But I wanted to make a kind of big power supply. I don't know how many amps it puts out, cause my meter can't isn't rated for that high. But I've hooked up from the thicker cables here a smaller one. So if I should melt it, it's these, and I can just change them very easily. So I have put up hooked up a small wire, and I was pretty amazed about how fast it actually heated up. I know it doesn't take much to heat this that small piece of wire, but I was going to show it anyway. 3, 2, 1, and it's turned off now. And you see, if I just let it run, then it simply just melts the metal. So thanks for watching.